जिंदगी की आईने में देखते हैं तो क्यों लगता है कि टूटे हुए ख्वाबों के टुकड़े हैं हम। अधूरी सी जिंदगी का एक ही पहिया है हम। जहां पर भी नजर का क्षितिज है, दूर दूर तक बस मैली सी धरती है। मांगते हैं हम कुछ जिंदगी के आईने से, लेकिन जवाब आता है कि टूटे हुए ख्वाबों के टुकड़े हो तुम। अब तो बस रोज की यही दुआ है कि ऐ खुदा, तुम खुद तो नहीं आ सकते ना सही, कम से कम अपना एक अक्स ही भेज दो।
We base our work on a Chinese story which says that if you give somebody rice to eat, that person will eat for one day. But if you teach the person to cultivate rice, not only that person but the family will also eat for life. It's a sad thing that after 50 years of independence, we have people living in these conditions, and therefore somebody should work with them, and we are doing that. That's all.
अपना ले यहाँ पे दंगा फसाद के टाइम पे आया, क्योंकि यहाँ के बच्चे भूखे मर रहे थे और उनको दवा पानी कहाँ मिलने वाला था। जब खाने को खाना नहीं था तो उनको दवा कहाँ से मिलेगी। अपना लेने एक एक घर में जाके अपना दिल दे दिया है।
The soul of Apnale, according to me, is working with people and helping them to access their basic rights as human beings. Our two projects, one is called our Challenger Project, which is working with differently challenged children in the community. We don't have any services for them in this area. Second project is for sports, because again with this 6 lakh massive population, we have only one playground. We are developing a sports complex for the children of this area. There are many activities. We run preschool classes, we run tailoring classes or henna classes. We run clinics for general people, immunization, LINAC, AMC, all these. We also have special programs like counseling services for drug, alcohol, HIV, AIDS, and family issues. As an organization, we touch many lives. Uh, it is we hope that they would be able to change for better. It depends on individuals, but there have been individuals who have uh, transformed their own lives.
ये अपनाले से पहले भी हम कचरा उठाते थे, अभी भी कचरा उठाते हैं, लेकिन अपनाले की बदौलत हम ये सीखे कि खुद के बदौलत खड़े रहने का, दूसरे के मोहताज नहीं रहने का।
A sponsorship for a child has helped that child to become today a good, responsible citizen or resident of their area.
अपनाने में आने से पहले हमको नाम लिखना भी नहीं आता था, अपना कुछ भी नहीं आता था। अब अपनाने में से मदद मिलने लगी जब से हम लोग को इतनी हिम्मत मिलने लगी, जितना कपड़े वस्त्र से जब कुछ सब कुछ मिलने लगा, पढ़ाई भी करने आने लग गया। एक क्लास बढ़ते गए, पढ़ना आता है, नाम लिखना आता है, सब कुछ आता है।
अपनाले ने मुझे उनको अपनाना सिखाया।
Maitri began 8 years ago when I felt that most of my patients suffering from schizophrenia needed something more.
Hi, I'm Ghazala Sheikh. I am the project coordinator for Maitri. I also counsel clients. Essentially, we deal with psychosocial disability here. Maitri is an organization that began in 1999 by a group of doctors, a group of caregivers, and some people who were interested in the cause. In a nutshell, we have a counseling service that is free. We have awareness sessions. We have support group meetings, essentially for schizophrenia clients and their caregivers.
As I said earlier, because it is covered under Disability Act, we are regularly contacting various government departments, and even to the Maharashtra government also we have written. As the government cannot provide employment to these all people, because Mumbai is having almost more than 1 crore population, so 1% of that means 1 lakh person. So 1 lakh persons, if they are suffering from schizophrenia, and at least 50% are there who they are capable of doing some job. I have one, I'll say, candidate rather than patient. He is a chemical engineer from IIT Kharagpur. We have one candidate who is a doctor, one candidate who is a professor. And there are so many cases like this. So we are appealing to all the people, all the multinationals, all the organizations, even all to the general public, at least to help these people to get a job or provide them some job.
मेरा सन जितेंद्र सुरेश वर्णेकर वो बहुत नर्वस होता था और घर में बैठे बैठे भी कुछ बात नहीं करता था, न किसी से मिक्सअप होता था, न कोई फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाता था. तो अल्टीमेटली मुझे मेरे मिसेस ने बताया कि डॉक्टर हरीश शेट्टी जो साइकेट्रिक है उनके पास हम लोग उसको लेके जाएंगे. तभी मैं इमीडिएटली उसको डॉक्टर शेट्टी के पास ले आए. आज वो 3 बरस से एबीएन एम्ब्रो में सर्विस कर रहा है और बहुत अच्छी तरह से सर्विस कर रहा है. और उसकी उसको जो बीमारी थी, जो आवाज आते थे या उसको हेलुसिनेशन जो होते थे, वो अभी बिल्कुल नहीं है. मुझे लगता है वो अभी 100% नॉर्मल है.
Hi, my name is Rohit Shetty. I was suffering from schizophrenia. I am now working in Anshul Chemicals Limited, Gore.
Maitri has supported us through its supportive sessions and many programs outside, outdoors, in picnics, movies and seminars. And we have gained a lot of confidence and cooperativeness.
In Maitri group, I attend support group meetings and counseling. There are also other activities in the Maitri group. I am under medication and injection, and I have become better now.
I want to tell to everybody that schizophrenia is the disease which you have to take in a very positive way. It's just like any other illness what a person is having. So please be positive towards the people, and they need your love and affection, not sympathy.
I would like to say that schizophrenia is also a disease like diabetes or blood pressure, which can be controlled by taking medicines and by good counseling.
Hi friends, I am Edward Dikona. I am suffering from schizophrenia for the past 10 years. Present, I am working as a librarian in ABN AMRO thanks to Dr. Shetty's Maitri Group Employment Cell.
I support Maitri.
I support Maitri. I support Maitri. I support Maitri.
I support Maitri.
We support Maitri.
I am very much interested in writing poems, and I am also publishing my poems. One of the poems is as follows. It is titled I Just Wanna Live One More Day. It is as follows. I just wanna live one more day, grabbing opportunities coming my way. Looking at the stars and fixing my sight, I wish to give life a tough fight. Troubles are many, solutions are few, thinking of starting life anew. Past has gone, future is yet to come, adding present to the sun. Support seems to be in need of to boost up my potential power. Hope is just a 4-letter word, I wish to fly like a bird. Objects of desire are many, to buy them I need money. Death is imminent in every person's life. Fate gives me one more day to strive. To God I pray every day. I just want to live one more day. Thanks a lot.